Hi folks, welcome back to the Chasing the Muses playlist on Cattail Acres. Today I am reviewing the Writing the Breakout novel book by Donald Mass. And you may be asking, what is a breakout novel? In short, it's a book that, regardless of the author's past sales or success, breaks out and becomes a best-selling work or a classic. These are the big deal books that stick in people's minds and can create a career-making contract for an author. I mean, this is every author's dream book to write. Writing the breakout novel isn't just another writing 101. This book is more like a third or fourth level masterclass in a book. In it, renowned author and literary agent Donald Mass, he goes above and beyond the writing basics. Like, he gets into each aspect of story, showing how breakout fiction really digs in to, it's deeper, and it creates a more compelling work. So one of the things that he does in each chapter is he dives into each aspect of story. For example, in the time and place read setting chapter, he breaks down how breakout fiction renders setting without succumbing to like world builder's disease, where you just have a lot of description. But it's how to pepper these things in through the action, the dialogue, and how to use it in conjunction with specific props, well-chosen words for descriptors, and subtle uses of references that put the story in time and place without like chapters and chapters of stuff just describing the world and pulling the reader out of the story. Every section of that book does that kind of deep dive, and it gives you a toolkit for improving the quality of your work on such a deep level. So when somebody first starts using this book, I would recommend that they read it in conjunction with a work in progress that maybe they've got the first draft on, or even the second draft, and you feel like it needs something and you want to go in and deepen that story. This book will tell you exactly how to do that. It will give you each thing that you want to look at in your story, whether it's character, setting, plot, whatever, and gives you specific things to look for in your fiction, and shows you what you want to bring in. Like, let's see, I lost myself. Hang on. So, like many of the other books that I've done, this is another one that I'll repurchase because it's definitely earned a place on the writer's bookshelf. On that note, this month's code word is breakout. If you haven't watched them yet, I suggest that you go back and watch all the other book review videos that I've put up this year in 2022, and that way you can get in on the drawing. So on New Year's Eve, I will draw the name of one lucky person to receive a copy of each of the writing and creativity books that I have reviewed this year. All you have to do to enter the drawing is collect the code words from the videos for 2022, the creativity and book review videos from 2022, get all the code words and email those to cattailacres@gmail.com, and I'll put that link below, and put drawing entry in the subject line. I'll take accept and I'll accept entries until Christmas 2022. Just to make sure you get those upcoming code words, you'll want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that little notification bell so that you get the new episodes as soon as they drop. And of course, we also have our homestead videos that we drop most Fridays. If you are interested in checking out some of my early written works, you can find them on Amazon, and I'll put my author page link below. Something else that I'd like to start doing is answering your questions about writing and creativity and hearing your suggestions about what you would like to see on the channel. So if you have questions or suggestions for what you'd like to see, on things that you'd like to go over here on the channel, go ahead and you can do the same thing. Email, you can drop a comment down below with a question, or you can email that also to cattailacres@gmail.com. So up next month, I will be reviewing Writing Monsters by Philip Athens. And this one will be right in time for our Halloween episode. So don't miss that on October 31st, 2022. And until next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.